Hi, my name is Mr. Weber. I'm one of the business and computer teachers here. Classes I'll be teaching this semester are graphic design fundamentals, and some of you may or may not have that. So, with that being said, I'm located upstairs, right up the first baseline, room D27. Materials that students typically need for my class are nothing. I am very integrated in Google Classroom. We have access to technology in my room, so we use that every chance that we get. If you need to reach me at any point this semester, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is eweber@goddardusd.com, and that is with one B. A lot of people get that confused and want to throw two B's into my last name. You can also reach me. My extension here at the school is 32146. If you'd rather make a phone call, you can just leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I look forward to meeting everybody, whether virtual or in person, and I'm looking forward to a good school year.